Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of the weird things about being a parent is that every now and then you catch yourself saying things that you know your own parents used to say to you. And you have that sudden moment of realization where you think, oh my God, I'm actually turning into my own father. This happened to me this morning because I was trying to get my 13-year-old son out of bed. He was supposed to have got up at 9 o'clock. At 9:15, he was still lying there, basically refusing to get up. So I said to him, listen, downstairs, fully dressed, in 5 minutes, or there'll be hell to pay. And then I realised, oh my God, this is what my dad used to say to me. If you say there'll be hell to pay, it basically means there'll be serious trouble. So perhaps you have some pressing work that you have to get done for the office or for the school you work in or whatever. And you might say to one of your colleagues, listen, if I don't finish this work today, there'll be hell to pay. It's also something parents often say, unsurprisingly, to children. So you might say something, for example, like, if one of your kids comes home very late, 2 hours later than they were supposed to, if you ever come home this late again, there'll be hell to pay, you mark my words. And maybe, you have a 17 or an 18-year-old kid who's borrowed the family car without asking. And one parent might say to the other, listen, if your mum finds out or your dad finds out that you took the family car without asking, there'll be hell to pay. Okay? Do you understand that? If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of when you might use "there'll be hell to pay."